Hi, welcome. In today's video, I will be decorating some sofa armrest covers with permanent marker. I already tried it. I washed it 2 times to see if it would come out, but it did not come out. So it is okay. I already did do some decorative stitches around the edge of these armrest covers. And I am just gonna do a bird on each of them. Not too over the top. It's just going to be simple. I will paint a bird in the middle of each cover. I will not be doing the whole complete design of the bird that is on the stencil. I will do the wing a different way. I drew the birds in a couple of different colors and they look pretty cute. I didn't want to go and do a lot of drawing and decorating because this is my first time trying to do craft with permanent marker. So I just keep it simple. Let me know what you think about this idea. Check out the description box also. There are some links listed there to more videos. If you like this video, please leave a comment letting me know. I always appreciate your feedback. It means a lot to me. Your support is always appreciated. If it's your first time on my channel, thank you for coming. Please subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you should never miss out on any upcoming videos. You can also go to the channel and see other videos there too. Thank you for your support. Share this video and give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section and I will see you in the next video.